What up? What up? Another day, another day. Oh, bright and early. What up, Kinja? What up? What up? Oh, I I have no quant tower today, and I have no Ninja Trader, so there's no copy trading all day. No copy trading. No copy trading. Oh man. I'm gonna try passing some evals here. Maybe I'll rip. Yo, what up, Donald? What up? What up? Um, Let me see what else is going on here. Oh, I need to pull up. Trying to pull up my freaking. I think I'm gonna bring up the stream on my phone, so I have bring up the stream on my phone, so I have that, so I can look at the chat quickly. Oh man, hold on 1 second. Stream. I just need to. Morning. So I'll be on in the morning today, tomorrow, no afternoon, most likely no afternoon, and then Monday I'm back afternoon only going forward. I'm away, so I really only have time to trade in the morning because once the afternoon hits, I'm going to be out. So, what do you mean Green Bay? I think you meant green, like I'm up 315 in an eval already. Started off strong to quite strong. What up, Rosales? Yeah, I got the it's my setup is my setup. So my trading stuff is in front of me, but the chat is on this screen. And I'm worried with I'm on a laptop. I'm worried with the CPU usage, with everything streaming. I hope it all continues to work. Boom, boom, boom. But yeah, so hopefully we rip some stuff this morning, and I loaded up my Take Profit Trader account. got another one of those. I got a volumetric account again. Like I said, I have no NinjaTrader. I have no Quant Tower. So I'm kind of forced to just trade manually for today and tomorrow, which isn't bad because I'm not going to be around all day, but it's it is what it is. Boom, boom, boom. Just checking out some stuff. Did the old lady make a phone call into the broker and place the order and then sell the order? Dude, imagine that's how it used to be. Like you had to call in an order. I guess if you're buying like, stocks, it's no big deal if you're calling in an order. Uh, because you're probably going to hold it. If you're calling in an order, you're probably holding it longer term. Just waiting for this to open. I got my orbs. I don't have a script that does orbs on NQ, so I had to do all the orbs on the Qs. So I'm gonna have to read the Q chart and watch when it hits the orbs and when it goes in and out. So that's going to be interesting. Yeah, super interesting deck. But I have all these rhythmic accounts that I passed. This is just rejecting all BWAP here. The BWAP. Dude, hopefully I can rip some trades real quick, get out ahead, get some more funded accounts, and then just kind of ride into the sunset here. Oh, how's the volume? You guys hear it? How's the volume? Is it good? Good? Everyone here? Hear it okay? I figured just to kick the day off, um, we should set goals on what we want to make for the day. So I'm looking to make
700 billion and $1.3 billion.
So we got that right there. Does the soundboard come through on oh yeah, that was your goal too. All right, so I guess the soundboard works. I had to set that up. Dude, it's so rough. It's rough doing things without your normal tools. Like, I don't know what type of job you're in, but whatever job you're doing, if you don't have your tools or you're using somebody else's tools or equipment, it's brutal. So today is going to be me flipping back through accounts, placing orders with stop losses, and even my monitor. So I brought a spare monitor with me, which is one of the monitors I use at home. it's 24 inches, but then I'm on this laptop that's a 17-inch laptop. And normally I have three 24-inch monitors and this laptop. So everything I have across all those screens are now on just these two. It's like less than half of the screenage. And I don't even know where. Yeah, all your settings are gone. Yeah, now I got my kids in the background. I'm also in a room that has nothing in it really, so I laid down some blankets to get the sound better. I'm over by Montauk, if anybody's wondering or anybody's been out here. This thing's looking like trash. Kind of just feels like I'm taking one and I'm letting oh, I meant to take that in the other account, 78. Oh, I got it. Cool. Come on. Oh, the old flip around, the old flip around. All right, just hitting the little greens here. You trade on a 15-inch laptop. Oh, geez, dude. Yeah, more than one chart. Yeah. Um, I typically have like at least 4 charts up at one time. I have one up now. No, Jaws wasn't. I thought Jaws was Montauk, but Jaws was based. Let's see, where was Jaws based? So Amity Island was Martha's Vineyard. Yeah, I thought it was up in Mass. Yeah, Martha's Vineyard was like the island. Yeah, that's where they filmed. That's where they did it. And it's also saying the island is off the coast of Long Island. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. One saying Martha's Vineyard is where they shot most of it. Yeah, Martha's Vineyard is where they filmed most of it, but I guess it was based off of an island close off of Montauk. Yeah, like a fictitious island. Kind of, you know. What up? What up? Yo, what up, Ace? Trying to. Trying to. I would have held longer for the short, but we're getting close to 19,900, and you had this little wick retest. So I just kind of took my money. I actually didn't even mean to buy it in this account, but I did. So it is what it is. It's a good spot to bounce, so. Boom, 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 boom. Man. All right, what do I got? What do I got? See, what's weird is the chat is, I have to pull up another chart. Actually, if I pulled up a chart, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it out of the browser into another window and cover. Oh, that's money. Okay, cool. That works for me. Play the orbs. I'm just setting up orbs, setting up my trading view charts. I am going to play the opening in this account. I know I said I was going to do it in a 150K account, but 150K accounts were almost double of a 50K account. So I'm just going to ride this account for now. It'll be a 50K and I'll trade just one. And I'm going to test a couple things at for the initial opening range trade, and then for the 5 and 15. I'm going to work on holding as well. Watch this. This is why I don't trust this chart. You see this chart? See this yellow line? That's supposed to be VWAP. But watch. Watch this. It just reset itself. You guys see that? Now it reset itself. VWAP is really up there. That's why you got to really watch out with TradeAvate charts, guys. The charting system is kind of funky. You know, you can think VWAP is one place, but it's really not. It's just, you know, so always zoom out on your TradeAvate charts and zoom back in to let everything reset. Yeah, overnight highs and lows is definitely one people play. They also play Asia high and lows, London high and lows. I do like the overall high and low of the session. I think that is a what do you do it from open, which is 6 p.m. till 9:30? Is that what you pretty much do? All of pre-market? I just want to make sure everything's set up so I don't have to leave. Yeah. What range do you use though? Yeah, 6 p.m. Yeah, I've been meaning to throw that on. Yo, did you see? I guess China was getting smoked now. China stocks. China. A lot of the China stocks are down big today. I think it's just a too fast type move. Um, Damn, Hims is down a ton today. Ah, let's get ready to roll. All right, what do we got for the freaking? So I got this low. I got this little range right here. That's so funny. I was looking at the Jeeps to purchase, and like I built it online, and it was like 80 grand. And I was like, do they know this is a Jeep? I was like, there's no way I'm paying $80,000 for a Jeep. It's like, are you on crack? Like I think of a Jeep, I think of like, 45,000, for a brand new Jeep. I definitely 109 is crazy. I want whatever he's on. Jeez. I think I might get some hmm. Yeah, I don't understand. I'm waiting until next month to probably buy one, a car in general, and just say, what do we got going on? What deals are going on at the end of the month? Oh, baby. See, what sucks is I'm looking to buy, like, do the breakout, but oh, the fact that it's at 19,900 sucks. I want to see this candle move a little bit below. Dude, Tesla got smacked on delivery numbers. Smacked. Like, they always make their way back up, though. It'll just wait. Ooh, we going below 19,900? See, it just wicked below, but I kind of like that. So we broke that. the range is a little below there now, so I don't have to worry about 900 anymore. Oh, that's what happens when I look too fast. Stellantis. Yeah. That's what happens when I'm going back and forth. Like Brave. Oh. All right. Any pivot points around here? Just wondering. 65 pivot point. 65 is the pivot point. Okay. That's 865. All right. Just want to. Usually, I have all this stuff on Quant Tower, and we open. Jeez, I just got fucking whipped. Did they just wick it? Yep.
Order rejected.
Fucking whipped. I'm probably done with doing that. That's why you back test stuff with, or forward test with evals. Oh, the old eval. I'm only kind of testing certain things. So I mean, it does. I damn, they're just freaking ripping it. So weird. So freaking weird. Now I got the, well, we're approaching the pivot point right here, which I am probably going to rip a short off of. Be cool if they brought it down to 56. Come on. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Come on, baby. Come on, I'm trying to make back some of these. There we go. Get back some of this money. All right, 5-minute orb is set. That's up here and obviously down here. I mean, I do think if they break over this, you'd be over the pivot point that you could probably get at least 8 points to the upside if they break it. They might just flag it up here and then push is kind of what. My stop's going to be over the orb if it gets over the orb. If it doesn't, you're going to see probably a decent rejection. Yeah, opening. I probably won't be trading the open with anything but an eval, just testing a couple things out. That's why you see me just trading one eval, playing around. You know, the open is rough. Kind of looks like it's flagging here. I recommend waiting. One thing I noticed about you is you rarely move your stop loss down on winning trades. You just exit the trade. But on losing trades, you move the stop down more than just exiting the trade. Do you mean like if it's losing, I let it go further against? It depends on what the trade is, but maybe I think that's what you're talking about. Uh, 983 is over the orb. Do not trade this with a funded account. I am just forward testing. This isn't even the 15-minute orb. This is just a 5. I'm just testing. That's all this is testing. These are low percentage trades until I prove that it's not. What the fuck? This is fucking crazy. We're gonna have the 15-minute orb set, and 15-minute orb is going to be set right here. I'm going to take one against it to kind of come off of it. We can get a retest of 79. I might just fucking buy right here, actually. There we go, working that back up. Probably creating a little flag here underneath 20,000. I'm going to hold one as long as we hold 74 to see if this flag plays out to the upside. If it does and we break, I will add and I'll move my stop up to right below the orb. That's what I'm looking for. Nope, breaking down. Honestly, if we break out of this and we break over, this might go on a freaking tear. Just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. Let's see, we're right here for the breakout. YM got smashed. Oh, baby. I kind of want to take a short now. I'll cover if we go over the orb, but geez, that got freaking destroyed. I wonder if they dropped this thing. Why'd they get smashed like that? Charting wise, this looks great, but being that the YM just got freaking destroyed, I feel like the Qs are going to play catch up. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I mean that's got to be weighing on the Qs. I would assume that. What does the Qs chart look like? I mean, this looks like it's going to fall out here. Just got under the dime. Nope. Damn, this thing's going to fucking rip. Fourth strike is the most serious one to watch. The stock market free fall. Yeah, I mean that's a. So I mean that's. You know what it did? I just fucking played it so stupid, but this trade should have been $400. Instead, I'm down one account, which I think is gone, and I made $75 in another PA. What I didn't like was we wicked back down. We that's kind of what I've been toying with. Like I was talking about yesterday, just kind of back testing all this stuff. Now, if this comes back down and tests the orb, I mean, I'm in. Um, just looking. And Joe, what's even crazier about that is there's a little delay between me, like me talking, and then you hearing me. There's like a probably like a 3 second delay. So if my price action is moving before yours, there's even a more delay than you know. Look at this shit, just consolidating above the pivot point. Oh, you don't even see it. It's on my other freaking screen. I'll show you guys. I mean, just a consolidation right above the pivot point. Honestly, as long as it holds above the pivot point, you got to assume it's going to eventually go north. Damn, they just ripped it. Hold on a second. Oh, I was just wondering who was here. The fuck is idiot? We are just flying here. All there. Didn't fucking hold. Dude, I don't know how many times I'm going to talk about it on how I need to hold these freaking trades longer. I mean, the setup was there for a massive move. I wonder, Joe, if you buy, yeah, but what if you buy at your level, or do they fill you at a different price? Because if they're going to fill you at whatever level is shown, and then you know it's going to go up. I wonder what the deal is. I can't believe I didn't freaking buy more of this. Why would I not buy more? There was such a nice little consolidation right below the orb, right above the pivot point. I'm not saying I hold it up here, but I could have easily sold in my PA account up at like 30 something. Instead, where did I sell this shit at? Yeah, I sold at 20, 21. Could have easily gotten another 10 points, would have put me at like 275 on the day in this account. Right, another 10 points, $200. Yep. Man, they're just pushing. Oh, if you put an order in and it leaves you behind, Joe, that's because it's not really at that price that they're showing you. It's at the price. Yeah, that's why it's leaving you behind. They gotta consolidate this or something. Like, just chill out. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Actually, oh, we're over 20,000. Jeez. Yeah, there might be some delay. You might have delayed data, man. I would look into that. There's some type of delayed data that you got. I would definitely be worried about that because you shouldn't have a delay. There should definitely be no delay. So the fact that you have a delay is kind of worrisome, I would say. No, man, but it should still be. There's definitely. Who are you using? What app is it? What app? If it is it like a broker? If you're using like Tradeovate on your phone, then that just might be it. But yeah, so you might have what it is you have delayed data on those apps. Sometimes you have to pay extra for the data, or you have to go in the dashboard and click on live data for futures. So it's something that you might have to enable. I just want you to be aware. See if I can just look at the chat on here. Yeah, but I think on E-Trade, when I start trading futures on E-Trade, I needed to like select something and then they allowed me to get live data. Otherwise, everybody gets delayed. They're gonna hold this. I don't really trust this drop. That's why I just scalped it. I think they're just gonna, yeah. I'd like to see it consolidate. Oh man. Holy shit. Well, that account's done for the day. 250 bucks. Oh, what the fuck just happened?
Order rejected.
Oh, jeez. What the fuck?
Order rejected.
Put this order in. I didn't even put this in. That was like a ghost order. Anybody just see that? Oh, that was like a ghost order that just happened, but I can't. Dude, is my data delayed or something? What the fuck is going on? There's an issue with Rhythmic or something. Okay, hold on. Are you guys getting any issues? Um, so did you guys just see that? I think 98 is done on the day. Switching to 97. Yeah, Knob, I am too. I am too. I mean, I bought more down here. I bought more down here. The pivot point is at 980. So that was freaking awesome purchase. You have the pivot point, you have VWAP, like what more, and you just dropped a gazillion points. I mean, I don't know what more you can ask for. Well, watch them. They're going to bring it all the way back up. Oh, somebody subscribed. welcome to the channel. Hopefully you just saw me smash that for 420 and you joined. Damn, they just freaking ripped this thing from the bottom. I would love to buy more with other accounts, but I feel like when I'm trading, do you think about shorting? I did. The reason I was thinking about it was we were getting near the pivot point up here. We were only 6 points away, and I was thinking about it. I was definitely thinking about it. I should have. I should have definitely done it, but I did not. That's a freaking large bar down. Large Marge sent you. Yeah. Yep. I will say I don't want to say I'm nervous, but I mean we're really moving around now. These are some the old BAC, big ass candles right now. Next time, put it in a small order because I've seen it look like it was good risk reward. Yeah, no, I agree with you. I'm not seeing the whole market because normally I have two more 24-inch monitors. So, I normally have at least 4 other charts up that I'm looking at. I'm normally have a lot more information at my fingertips than what I got now. So, I mean, it's just harder for me to execute. I might take a stab. I might take a stab right here, actually. Oh, I just realized they got this freaking daily loss limit on evals here. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. Even if the trade works out, I shouldn't have gone in so heavy with the daily loss on the evals. I should have gone in with like 1 or 2 and kind of either built up a position or come on, push back to, I'm on the Qs. I'm trying to trade off the Qs because I don't have, it's so crazy. I'm looking at the Qs chart while trading the NQ because I don't have quant tower to put all my levels out. Yeah, I just got fucking stopped out. They don't give a shit today. Holy. Is there news out? What's the news? Something just come out? I feel like something just happened. Oh, jeez. What? Yeah, 10, but this isn't 10. This is. I mean, this is where you want it to freaking hold. Yeah, I mean, that was a massive drop, Lee. Like, massive. I don't, I mean, I'm just trying to scout to not get close. This has that look. I'm just telling you, this has that look. This definitely Oh, luckily, oh, baby, I just stopped it. I almost blew this eval. I still think we, come on. Oh, yeah, sell that the F off, baby. Sell it. I want to see 52. I want to see a big fucking number right here. Come on. I got nervous. Well, actually, we're at the 377, which is like a far. Let's see, I have it on this chart. You can see it. See that gray line? That's why I took profit. I'm looking at it on my other screen also. What kind of look? The look that we're about to flush the toilet. It has the toilet bowl flush look in general, like maybe not here, but it just kind of seems like, let's see, I just got an alert. Oh, just out. Biden says discussing Israel striking Iran oil facilities. Oh, baby. This shit's about to get wild. Oh man, this is the toilet bowl look. Biden's still alive. These candles are so big that, like this is a 20-point candle. I'll play this bounce right here. I'll play this bounce if we get to that zone. October surprise. My friend one time got an October surprise in Vegas at the club, or I should say after the club, he got an October surprise, and we don't let him forget about it. In stock terms, I guess he got trapped. Look at that. It swept new lows and just came back up. It was a nice little move. The gift that keeps on giving. The Diddy surprise. Yeah. It was like, that's not supposed to be there. Surprise. Now all your friends know. Oh. Holy sh. Wow, this thing is just freaking cruising. I mean, it broke out shockingly. I mean, that was the breakout. Do I trust this thing? Hold on a second. The what? Waffles? No, it's not. Oh. Are they just gonna rip this thing? Let's see if it holds right here. This is an eval only freaking degenerate trade. Let's see if it goes to like 41. No. No. Nope. They're just gonna stop me out. Free Diddy, about to make some bumper stickers. Dude, they just literally did that to me. Come on, baby. It was all consensual at the Diddy parties. Dude, they got stuff is starting to come out. That was a nice effing hit. I'm done with that account for the day. on, give me like 98. Give me 98. Bounce it to 98, man. Had enough of this shit. Bring it up. Bounce. Bounce. Please. I've been to a few. They were pretty chill. Oh, they're just going to dump this? Oh, come on. Pump it. Pump. Pump. I'm getting just, I got out. I got out with $46 and all you can eat baby oil buffets. If this breaks below, I would say we're gonna get a sweep down. If you know what I can. Man, this price action is fucking crazy. We're literally moving like 10 points, sometimes in a second. Like we just moved 10 points in like a half a second. I think it's just algo is processing that oil Biden Israel shit. Honestly, if I get stopped out, I might be done. Not done trading, but like, let's wait and see where this thing freaking settles at. No. It's what I wanted originally. They didn't want to give it to me. Boom, boom, boom. Dude, that was a dirty candle. They just bounced. It went swept low. They swept it. They swept it, and then they brought it all the way back up to bring it back down. This looks dumpy. Just kind of making back some of the gains, but it just seems very algo-like. Very algo-like. Let it cool off a little bit. Like you don't even realize it, but this bar to this bar is 20 points. And now it's 10. Gee. Damn. Yo, what up, man? Yeah. Dude, nothing's really holding. Dude, it's crazy. Nothing's really holding, man. It's all over the place. Um, yeah, it's just all over the place. They had the Biden news out that just came out, Corey. So I think what's happening is a lot of algos are moving it around and doing their thing, but I feel like the market in general needs a pullback. So, and we've kind of been drifting lower, I guess. Damn, man, this is just nutty. I'm just freaking looking at the everything. Let's see what happens. Can it even get over the 9? Can't even get over the 9, but that flushed like we were talking about. I was talking about the flushing McFlusherson dumped. The bottom orb is at 895. Right here. I'm just seeing if it can't get above. That's why I wouldn't do that with a funded account. I mean, you got the VWAP, the 34, and the 21 on the 5 right there. I mean, we get over this, I would assume it's going to rip, which we just did. I'm just trying to pull up some of my fucking charts. So right here, I have it breaking the trend to the upside. How can I be up $800? All right, guys, can you, did anybody just look at that? Maybe it was. I had that many. I was up $800 on that trade. Yeah, I had three, and each one, oh yeah, $900 I just made on that. Dude, I didn't even realize that. Well, that was a good freaking trade. I'm just curious what some of these others are at. I do not know why this line is there. I don't know what that is. Let's see what that is. Oh, that's the Tiki opening range. That's the middle point. That has no bearing to me whatsoever. This line doesn't really mean anything to me. Just in case you guys are wondering. I do kind of like, I mean, we're over the 34. This is the 34. This is the, I will not, I only grabbed one. Is this VWAP going to rewrite itself? No, that's where VWAP is. It's hanging at the pivot point. Right at 78 is the pivot point. These candles are so big. I don't think you guys realize how big these freaking candles are. Yo, what up? What's a good height? Sorry, bro. What's a good short level after a possible squeeze? I would be looking for it to hit like a pivot point on the upside. 15 seconds, so sharp. Oh, dude. Let's go for greens. Greens. Yeah, I mean, it's so crazy to look at because, I mean, like right here is 20 points. Like I grabbed three, and I made basically $1,000 in literally, it was like 2 seconds. You got to be really cautious about your entries when we're ripping like this and dropping. I mean, you could easily just get demolished. I would say I don't like this setup for my funded accounts anyways, but I probably wouldn't trade a funded account when we're moving around like this. I'd probably just kind of wait it out. I'd probably just wait it out in funded account land and just play one mini when it comes to evals. You know, you don't want to be I mean, you could easily get caught. I mean, this dip was 40 points. That was a 40-point dip. I got stopped out, but it did what I thought it would do. But I mean, I just couldn't. I mean, I was down like 20 points. Damn. The Diddy surprise. Dude, what happened to my thing? Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? I'm gonna refresh it. Dude, that was crazy. Like a green screen came up. Oh, what the fuck is going on? I got it to work. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. Damn. Thanks, Kevin. Thanks. Yo, that was wild. I don't know what happened with the green screen. It was just like my camera just went out. I think what happens is it just gets freaking bad. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I'm back. We're gonna hold the 200 VWAP. What are we doing here? have some fun. We'll have some fun. There's not many people around. I'm also going to, I've probably got about 40 minutes left, an hour left of trading day. Just so you guys know, I'm going back next week trading 1:30 till the end of the day. It's just I'm away today and tomorrow, so it is what it is. Come on. This is why I only bought one. Yeah, the price action is awful. I don't know if I'm going to touch a funded account the rest of the day. I'm just using these evals just to play around. No, that eval's almost over. I am not going to trade an eval that's freaking almost over. I can tell you that. Let's see what happens. Boom, boom, boom. Watch, Stay Blue comes in right now. I'm going to try getting a freaking, let's see what happens. You think Apex is giving out accounts quickly right now, or is it going to be slow? What's crazy is I have accounts. They're all on Rhythmic because I thought I'd be using Tradeovate. I thought I'd be using Quant Tower. I literally have all these evals and I have funded accounts. I have all these accounts on Quant Tower and I can't get my Quant Tower until, by the way, guys, I learned a lesson. If you have Quant Tower, you got to sign out when you leave your computer if you're going to be using another computer. That's the issue. The issue is I'm logged in at my house with Quant Tower. Yeah, I switched to minis. I meant to get a better entry here. Switch to minis. Dude, it's getting crazy over there. What? Israel's now retaliating? Oh, jeez. Mohammed, I'm just here lurking. Dude. What do you, I'll be honest with you, this kind of seems like it's escalating. Kind of seems like it's escalating. Who saw that meme where it's the Israel missiles and the Iran missiles, and it's like your tax dollars, and it's like also your tax dollars? I was like so messed up. Oh man. I will say, I guess it depends on like what. I saw another meme. It's oh, where is it? I'll read it out to you guys. I thought it was amazing. Did you hear about all the countries sending funding here to help with the hurricane damage? Yeah, me either. They're saying FEMA is out of money. That's crazy. Yeah, yeah. They'll be asking for donations soon. So crazy. I mean, I feel like this market's going to turn around if there's no big damage. We are at, I would call this, we're at support. I wonder if it holds. I clicked the button before, it didn't go through, but that was a nice bounce off support. Crank the Lanky. Oh, dude, they just keep bringing it back up. It's just playing ping pong. Now we're in the middle. I just find it crazy that FEMA can say they're out of money when we're sending so much money overseas. They got to clean up California. They got to clean up Portland. Like, there's so many things in our own country that we need to clean up. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be handled here, and they're just not doing it. Not even close. You know. honestly don't care who's technically in office. I mean, they should just, the right thing to do is handle issues in the states first before you start helping out all these other countries. Crush Goblin is calling for me. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, bud? I needed to wipe a tushy. That's what I was asked for. I was called to wipe tushies. I gotta bring the chat up on my phone, man. Chat on the phone is so much easier. Yeah, dad duties. Yeah. Oh man. Is it not gonna get over? Is this gonna be the final drop? I'm waiting. I'm waiting and waiting. Let's see what happens here. Israel and Iran should have a duck race and call it a day. What's the payout goal? The payout goal is 2,600 once you're funded. Anybody know how to do the auto, anybody know how to fix the auto chart on here? I think, how to fix auto to fix auto chart trade evade. Like as I move the chart, like see I go down and it brings it right back up. There's a setting somewhere that fixes this thing. Oh my God. That's mom. Where's mom? Oh man. Yes, under settings. All right, ready? Under settings. So settings by the time frame. Uh, this settings? Are we talking about this settings or the gear? Oh, the top left at the chart. Oh, okay. Auto fit chart. Oh, continuous auto fit off. Ah, thank God. Dude, I knew it was somewhere because I did it for the NQ. But what's weird is I do it for the NQ and it wasn't working on here. Ridiculous. Ridiculous, ridiculous. Are they going to send this to the moon? Seems like they want to. Yeah, cumulative delta pushing up. Why did I press that button on? Ah, oh my God, it wicked me. Dude, that's crazy how it wicked. They're going to sell this right through. I have a feeling they're just going to push it right through. that was it. I mean, they got to do something because all they're doing is like shooting a little bit here, a little bit there, and just dragging on. But if this escalates, man, oil is going to go through the roof. I might call my home heating oil company right now and lock in a price. Probably not a bad idea before this shit goes wild. Fire pit, baby. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's exactly what I'm thinking about doing. I'm going to call them up after I get off this stream while I'm on vacation and lock in a price before some shit goes wild over there and I get hosed. Start trapping squirrels, gather acorns. Hide your wife, hide your kids. Yeah. Cumulative delta pushing down. Another red cumulative delta bar. Oh, Jesus. Really? 3 bars to the downside, one little green bar, and it pushes it up fucking 10 points. Dude, this is why I'm trading freaking minis, micros. This shit's all over the place. All over the place. I mean, it's right under the. If you look, I mean, it's right under the. I don't know why I got disconnected. It's right under the pivot point. Kind of an interesting spot to actually short. Not that I'm doing it, but well, we got over anyways. But I just think there's algos going on constantly because of this Israel thing. I mean, I would say this looks good, but I just feel like I'm going to get trapped. Like, I feel like the trap is here. It just feels like it's just going to reject or something. See? Oh, fuck. Yeah. This is why I like scalping. When people ask why I don't hold, because I don't. I'll take 70 something dollars. Get my money back. A lot of wiki wackies. The VIX looks like it wants to pop up. I'm sure it does. I mean, they're dropping bombs over there and whatnot. I'm sure a lot of people aren't. Why do I keep clicking the button? I keep going to our stream page. Every time I go to the stream page, the computer comes to a stop. So I got word yesterday that Take Profit Trader is gonna end their sale soon. They're gonna come up with something new. Obviously, they're always running a sale, just like every other prop firm, but Topstep runs some type of sale. I'm just letting you know that Take Profit Trader sale is going to be ending. I think he told me in like a week or 10 days. So I don't know. I didn't get word on what it's going to be, but I'm just telling you that if you like the deal, it's going to end in like 10 days. The deal now is 50% off. And then when you get your first payout, they send your eval money back. But I don't know what the next one's going to be. I'm just letting you know that that's what the deal right now is with Take Profit Trader. I think in 10 days, they're going to switch the sale up to something else. What up, Juan? What up? What up? Yeah, I mean, maybe visible. I mean, maybe. I'm just letting you guys know what I heard. That's the info. It's the word from the prop firm streets that they're changing it up. Coming, yeah, like a week to 10 days or something like that. I'm not on the in, but another streamer told me about it. Somebody that you guys all probably know. So I trust what he said. So that's the word. I think the best deal was 40% no activation fee. It's $20, it's like $15 more. Yeah, all good, Juan. It was $15 more for the account, but there's no activation fee. I love 40% off, no activation fee. That was somebody told me at one point they called it 50-50. They did 50% off, and then it was half off funded resets. So basically, if you blew your funded account, it was like $300 for a reset on the funded account. Take Profit Trader is going to be changing their deal. Their deal is going to be changing in about a week to 10 days, is what I was told. So that's the word. Dude, is this even gonna hold? They're not even gonna hold the 200. I was gonna buy, but I was like, this thing looks whack. Are they gonna hold it? Oh shit. I can't even get the fuck out. They're not holding it. This thing looks garbage. So I'm gonna run this thing now, only because I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay. I'm just telling you, there's a lot of people that are in this. There's 68 names and there's only about 20 people that are on. So I would wait and see who wins, because most likely that person's not in here. So we'll just rerun it. I'm just trying to free up browser space. I have no idea. Walmart deals. Okay. Boom. I would wait to the end to see who won. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Who do we got? Who do we got? Dude, I wish they got some more ducks, some different ducks. Odie. I requested my first payout with Apex last night. Now I'm just breathing and relaxing. They've been approving people quick, man. I hope you get it quick. I would check back in like an hour or two. A lot of people are getting their money within, approved at least, within a couple hours. Who do we got hanging out in the back? Joe's hanging out in the back. Lee Watt, you're ahead right now. You do not want to be ahead. You want to be hanging. Where's the Batman duck? Batman duck and Superman. We got Batman, Superman, and Spider-Man duck. I don't even see myself. I want to be Donald Duck. I don't even see myself. The dinosaur duck has never won, and the Trump duck has never won either. Trump duck has definitely never won. Come on. Dude, Muhammad pushed up real quick. Oh shit. He's here too. He is here. Did that just freaking rip like that on me? Dude, I got stopped out at the bottom and that just ripped 60 points. What the absolute fuck? Well, it's 11:32. You didn't win, Marie. I can't believe that. Let's see if we're just playing the range here. I can't believe I was in at the bottom. They stopped me out. They bottom ticked me. They bottom ticked me and then ripped it. Uh, visible one. Sounds of nature. What up? Sounds of nature. Got to be around. You missed out. I can't believe they bottom ticked me and then they ran it 60 freaking points. Kind of messed up. Kind of messed up there. All right. I'm going to get fucking stopped out after I should have been up 600. Ah. I'm just getting out. I'm just getting out. Keep the losses small. Keep the losses small. Yes. Oh, all right. Hold on 1 second. Be right back. Yeah. I open the door. Oh, I'm back. Dude, this is just. I hit my daily max profits on my 15K Topstep. Guess I'll jump on it on TPT. Yeah. Apex just gave me an account super freaking quick, by the way. Let me see. I'll just refresh it. Well, I don't want this to get fucked up, but I just got one and I don't know. They did not. What's up, Jen? What up? What up? Nah, we are duck race just went off. You guys, it happened already. It definitely happened already. Boom, boom, boom. And saw someone from here enter twice. Who was the person, leg drive? Just out them. Who was the person? Using divergence, what's the what indicator? The I am here guy? Well, who is that? Because everyone writes I am here now. Oh, yeah, well, he got caught already. Dude, he got caught. He got caught on here already. I mean, I don't care. It's not like I'm gonna kick him out or something. But I just ask that you don't do it. That's all. It's not like you're gone for life or anything. I just kind of dude, why? What? That's mom. I don't. Oh. Oh, we're just like flagging up here. Let's see what we got going on. I almost want to take a trade and leave it for the day. Just the old buy and leave. Do I think we break out or roll over? I feel like we're approaching the top. Let's see what happens. It's just pumping. I mean, what the fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? 580? Hold on one second. That was a nice effing trade. Okay. Just got some money. So let me see if I can bring this up real quick. You can see the fractals. See these red dotted lines, these fractals? It's just a trend. So I was looking to take a short at the top of this trend, which would have been at 20,041. Before I can get the short in, we popped above it. And once I started seeing us give some of it back is when I just jumped in. But we are at the top of this channel right now. I mean, this is, to me, not a bad spot to take a short if you can let it move around. Probably work your way back down by 20, 30 points. And then my stop loss would probably be over this wick would probably be my stop loss. And I'd probably be looking for somewhere around 20,000 or if you break the 34, you'd probably go down to 900. Ooh, 984 or something. That's my thoughts. I don't know what's actually going to happen. What's interesting is Snowflake is up today. That's been one that's getting destroyed, I should say. I'm just gonna put a stop just in case I'm freaking not here. A stop at 2 dot. No, we're back up here. We're back where. Let me see. I'm in an eval. This is an eval. What I got 6. I'll take it in this eval. Let's see what happens. The eval gets smoked. The eval gets smoked. Yeah, Bo Vosh. I mean, I'm with you. I agree. You don't know though. It goes from zero. You know, that's the same thing you can talk about when Russia was by Ukraine. You know, people were. You know, they sat there with military stuff outside the border for like a week or something, and then they didn't. Nothing happened, and people were downplaying it until it escalates really freaking quick, and then once it escalates, you know, you're late on the trade, or you know, not late, but like you got to get in. Jesus, I think this is gonna. I'm riding this. I'm riding this account until this either blows up or. They gotta let this go down. I mean, if we can get under, it would be nice. I don't know if they are. I mean, they just might work this thing back up. I mean, I don't really know what's going to happen, but I'm not sitting here taking this with a funded account. I can tell you that much. This is like an eval that's basically destroyed, but they can definitely turn this around. I want to see it come down at least 18, get 20 points. What is it, $800 if it does? If this thing actually comes down, I might just hold it the rest of the day and just put a buy where I would basically get filled for getting it over. I mean, we got to break down first. Now, worse than news is bullish. Yeah, I mean, it's so crazy. My kids are going crazy downstairs. Oh, here we go, guys. Don't tease me like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, drop it. Drop it. Oh, I just found out why HIMS is dropping. HIMS is dropping after hours. So yeah, if you follow, it seems like an overreaction. Dude, yeah, my kids are off freaking today and tomorrow for the Jewish holiday. I'm not Jewish, but the school district does the Jewish holidays. So basically, the whole school is off, and that's why my kids are home. That's why I'm out here. So we'll see what happens. Oh man, this thing is just lingering at the top of this freaking thing. Like it's kind of out of the trend right now. It's just, I'll be honest with you, there's so many things going on with Israel, Iran, like you're in for a volatile day because it's going to be all over the place. You know, it's going to be up, down, whatever. I mean, we're out of the pattern to the upside, but it's real slow. I would not buy long here. And at this stage, I probably wouldn't be looking to short it either. If anything, I'd be looking for a short-term pullback to the 34, which is the green line, and I'd probably look to ride that. Uh-oh, I hear another crotch goblin coming upstairs. Dude, I'm back. I'm actually, I'll be honest with you guys, I am freeing up some cash right now. I'm basically, it's the best way I can put it is I'm just freeing up cash. a lot of stuff. I don't want to get caught in some massive freaking dump-a-do. Just seems like it could be a freaking, I don't know, kind of worried. Just getting out of stuff. Yeah, man. Yo, you know what's crazy, Tyler? So I'm away on vacation, and I stacked up a ton of Rhythmic accounts because I was using Quant Tower, and then of course I go away and I'm on my laptop, and the Quant Tower can't work here. So now I'm back trading Tradeovate one account at a time, and I don't have all my indicators and all this other BS. So, but I have even more PA accounts, but they're on Rhythmic, and I can't do anything until Monday. So it is what it is. Oh yeah, if you're talking about our duck race visible, yeah. Yep. I gave the opportunity to. I think I have another 2 on Rhythmic. I also have like 5 evals that are up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, I got about 9 total. I mean, yeah, I'm just freeing up. I'm freeing up cash. I'm just getting out of a lot of stuff. I am just. Just try, man. I love when you guys are all taking money out too, man. I love to see when everybody's winning. You know, I just think the price action today is a little rough. You know, But I think I'm gonna have to head out. My kid's going crazy. I gotta go meet somebody in an hour. We're gonna go meet up another family and their kids. So I'm gonna jump off. I'm not gonna be streaming anymore today. I'm out. Tomorrow I'll be streaming again in the morning. And then we'll do another duck race tomorrow morning. And then that's pretty much it. We'll duck race tomorrow. And then I'll be back to normal next week. I'll just do my normal 1:30 to the to close. We'll go back to afternoon stream. All right. Enjoy the rest of the day, guys. Later.